Hello, this is Mirek from Insightee. Today I'm gonna explain you why it is important to track purchase order latency. Order latency is the average time between consecutive orders, the time after which the customer usually repurchases. Why is order latency so important? Because it predicts when you should expect the next purchase order. Why do you want to know that? Because it will let you plan the moment when you should remind the customer about the next order. Why? Because it will let you speak with the customer in the right moment. Why? Because you want the customers to quit postponing their orders. Why? Because through that, you can build a more regular cash flow. Why? Because with that, you will be able to generate the same revenue with less discounts provided. Why that? To maximize your profit. Why? To simply stay competitive. Calculating order latency isn't as trivial as it may sound. For each of your customers, you need to take their order history, and for each pair of consecutive orders that appeared in time, you need to calculate the difference between the order creation dates. This way, you will get the number of days between each two consecutive orders. Then you need to average that value. If you add the average order latency to the date of creation of the most recent purchase order for each particular customer, you will get the moment when you can expect the next purchase order. You ideally need this information every single day. You can either keep calculating this figure on your own or automate it with Insightee X-Ray. I wish you not to miss a single purchase order anymore.